barefooted.
Is it hot? Where are you running to?
Rules, babe. Babe, rules.
Kick aside.
Babe, rules.
Is it cold?
I was half tempted to sit in myself. Sit.
She's like, eh.
She's like, fast, have a home. Sit.
RJ sitting. Is it cold? Breathe, RJ. Put your head underwater. You can't breathe. You gotta go potty.
Oh yeah, that's another rule. Don't go
Yeah, don't go and potty in the pool.
I'll just swim.
I like cheese pieces on little kids because Sit.
Whee!
Sit.
Dunk your head underwater. You'll get used to it.
Sit on your butt.
I am.
He looks so huge compared to that pole.
Hey, it's bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
For like $5 is not bad. We'll get a bigger one of these days. Go ahead, go. Did you go potty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because the skirt
I like when she jumps in and she's like, ah,
Sissy,
cold.
go to Silly. She's gotta fix your skirt. Yeah, sit.
Is it cold?
You see her give her a bath. It's hilarious. She's like, she's trying to stand up and wash her hair. Sit. She's fine for me. She wouldn't get her head out of the water. Sit on your butt, Sissy. Crisscross applesauce.
Okay.
Don't push her down. Let her do it. It's okay. You'll get used to it. Wow.
Believe it or not, she's sick.
She's sick.
What's wrong with her? She's got a cold. She's been coughing and sneezing all day, and she just, if you look at her eyes, you can kind of tell that she's not feeling so hot.
Well, Slash, you're supposed to empty this thing every time you're done using it.
Shit, there's water in there.
We can go swimming for a while.
Yeah,
Well,
but you gotta go swim in the
You
day.
say you're swimming right now.
Go.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm floating my butt.
Sit.
You're floating your butt.
Sit.
Okay. My butt is floating. Right, you okay.
Those are fishies. That's it.
Fishy.
I like how she sits.
They're dogs.
On the top of the water.
Are you going?
Yeah, I'm gonna go swim.
She got like really high pitched all of a sudden.
Sit. Sit. Relax. Relax. It's just my hand. It's just my hand.
She's hitting her on the other domino. Put your head underwater.
What?
Put your head under the water. You'll get used to it faster.
That's what I'm trying to do. Is I'm used to it.
Put your head under. Come on, you can do it.
That's what I used to do in the past.
You can't put your head underwater? I can put my head underwater. My head's bigger than yours.
I'm going back over to the house.
All right.
I'll either you text me when they're done or
Okay.
We're not done.
we're not done.
We're not done.
Swimming is the boom. Hey! Let's go swimming. Ah!
Where you going?
Don't worry, my fat butt isn't gonna flood the pool. Oh, she goes, oh no.
Hooray!
I'm fat.
Oh, I can float now.
You can float now?
I'm fat.
Are you saying that Nicole's fat?
I made the no look. I made the water go up over the hive over the
Jackie!
That was cool. The place is a chipping cold. because the water will come out. Oh. So cool. I'm using Ariana as a shield. No, my shield from the
Actually, she was like using you for a place to sit.
That's okay. I was using her as a shield from splashing. Okay, okay. Stop it.
RJ.
Stop it.
Hey, I'll go get your meal wet.
You need cut this little cup out here.
I'm half afraid to sit down in it. I don't want to have to refill it up again right off of that.
We're going to have to put at least one more thing of water in it tomorrow, though.
I know.
Daddy.
How's it feel, Nicole?
Let's do more.
How's my hair look, baby?
Sexy.
I'm sure it does.
I'm doing more.
Well, you wanted to go swimming. There you go.